Welcome to the International Space Station, or ISS, a marvel of engineering and a testament to international collaboration in space exploration. Orbiting Earth at an altitude of approximately 420 kilometers, the ISS serves as a unique laboratory, observatory, and factory, contributing to scientific advancements that benefit humanity. Join us as we explore the incredible journey of the ISS. The story of the ISS began in the 1980s, when various space agencies, including NASA, Roscosmos, the European Space Agency, ESA, the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, JAXA, and the Canadian Space Agency, CSA, began laying the groundwork for an international collaborative project. The vision was ambitious: to create a space station that would facilitate research and foster cooperation among nations. Construction of the ISS officially began in 1998 with the launch of the first module, Zarya. This marked the beginning of a new era in human spaceflight. Over the years, additional modules were launched and assembled in orbit, transforming the ISS into a sprawling structure measuring the size of a football field. It stands as a symbol of what can be achieved when countries work together toward a common goal. The ISS is an extraordinary feat of engineering. It's a symbol of what we can achieve when countries collaborate. The station's modular design allows for continuous upgrades and expansions, making it adaptable to new missions and scientific objectives. Each module, from the Russian segment to the American laboratory, plays a critical role in the station's overall function, showcasing how different technologies can harmoniously coexist in space. Home to a rotating crew of astronauts, the ISS provides a microgravity environment that allows for groundbreaking scientific research. Experiments conducted here span a variety of fields, including biology, physics, astronomy, and materials science. This unique setting helps us understand fundamental processes in ways not possible on Earth, revealing insights that could revolutionize various fields. The microgravity environment affects everything, from how fluids behave to how cells grow. Scientists can observe processes in real time, leading to discoveries that have implications not only for space exploration, but also for life on Earth. Research on protein crystallization, for example, has enhanced our understanding of diseases, potentially leading to new treatments. Microgravity changes everything. We can study the behavior of fluids, the growth of crystals, and the effects of long-term spaceflight on the human body. For example, understanding how muscle and bone density change in microgravity can inform medical treatments for osteoporosis on Earth. These experiments not only enhance our understanding of science, but also pave the way for future space exploration and medical advancements. The ISS also serves as an unparalleled platform for Earth observation. From its unique vantage point, astronauts and scientists monitor climate change, natural disasters, and urban development. The data gathered helps inform policy decisions and scientific research back on our home planet, providing insights into environmental changes that affect all of us. Astronauts aboard the ISS regularly document significant events on Earth, such as hurricanes and wildfires. These observations are invaluable for understanding weather patterns, disaster response, and even the effects of human activity on our environment. One of the most iconic features of the ISS is the cupola, a dome-shaped module with large windows that offers breathtaking views of Earth. This observation module allows astronauts to capture stunning photographs of natural phenomena, from hurricanes to auroras, reminding us of our planet's beauty and fragility. The cupola is not just a scientific tool, it serves as a powerful symbol of our connection to Earth. The cupola also provides astronauts a place to relax and reflect, enhancing their well-being during long missions. The view of Earth can be profoundly moving, serving as a constant reminder of why we explore space, to protect and understand our home. The ISS is not just a platform for research, it also serves as a testing ground for technologies that will be essential for future deep space missions. As we set our sights on the Moon and Mars, the ISS provides invaluable insights into living and working in space for extended periods. Experiments conducted on the ISS will help us understand how to grow food, recycle water, and maintain human health during long-duration space flights. These insights are crucial for planning missions to Mars, where astronauts will face challenges unlike any they've encountered before. Living on the ISS is a unique experience. The challenges of microgravity and isolation teach us resilience and adaptability. We conduct experiments, participate in spacewalks, and maintain the station, all while floating in a remarkable environment. It's a constant reminder of our shared humanity and our responsibility to take care of our planet. Spacewalks, or EVAs, are among the most thrilling experiences on the ISS. Astronauts venture outside to conduct repairs and upgrades, often with Earth as a breathtaking backdrop. These missions require meticulous planning and teamwork, highlighting the collaborative spirit that defines life aboard the ISS. The ISS has led to numerous scientific breakthroughs. For instance, research on protein crystallization has implications for drug development, while studies on combustion have revealed new insights into fire behavior. These discoveries have real-world applications, from improving medical treatments to enhancing energy efficiency. The collaboration between scientists on Earth and astronauts aboard the ISS creates a powerful synergy. Discoveries made in space inspire new questions and avenues for research, demonstrating the dynamic nature of scientific inquiry. As we reflect on the ISS, we celebrate its role as a beacon of hope and collaboration. In a world that often feels divided, the ISS stands as a testament to what we can achieve together. It embodies the spirit of exploration and the pursuit of knowledge that transcends borders. Scientists and astronauts from over 15 countries work side by side, fostering international cooperation and goodwill. This diversity enriches the experience aboard the ISS. Crew members share different cultures, perspectives, and ideas, reinforcing the notion that when we unite for a common purpose, we can achieve extraordinary results. The International Space Station is more than a technological marvel. It is a symbol of what humanity can accomplish when we unite in the pursuit of knowledge. As we continue to explore the cosmos, the ISS will remain a cornerstone of our journey, a place where we learn, discover, and dream about what lies beyond our blue planet. As we gaze into the cosmos from the ISS, we are reminded of our responsibility to protect our planet and to seek answers to the fundamental questions of existence. The ISS is not just a laboratory in space, it is a platform for inspiration, urging us to explore, to innovate, and to cooperate.